Let's review how to use the conversion page on Toolkit.law. Go to the Numbers section, then open the conversion page.
Start with the core measurement tools: area, length, weight, volume, and temperature.
These accordions help you convert dimensions, quantities, and units. Use the currency converter when comparing financial records.
For weather-related cases, open heat index, wind chill, and dew point.
Drive time gives quick estimations for travel duration, useful for timeline analysis and logistics planning in legal matters.
Cooking Imperial and Cooking International support recipe conversions for hospitality cases.
Power conversion ensures clarity when interpreting engineering, appliance, or workplace safety documentation.
Each accordion produces instant, accurate results that you can copy, download, or add to your notes. This suite eliminates manual conversions and ensures every figure you use is precise, clean, and professionally formatted. And that is how you use the conversion page on Toolkit.law.